Advertising operations, ad ops, digital ad ops, online ad operations, whatever you want to call it, ad ops sounds about as much fun as data governance. So you can skip over this topic, right? Wrong. Beyond its dry name, ad ops is actually a fun and exciting career field. While it may not be obvious from the name, it's an emerging field you should know about. So let's demystify and define ad ops. And who knows, maybe it's the career path of your dreams. We think the best definition of data ops is this one from Gartner. Ad ops is the management of investments in paid media, which includes search, display, and video across online, mobile, and social destinations, and the use of programmatic techniques to measure and optimize advertising. If that still seems a little dry, let's dig deeper. Ad ops means managing all your paid ad campaigns on the internet, mobile devices, and social media, and then tracking and optimizing those campaigns. Pretty simple, right? Of course, this is just one answer to the question of what is ad ops. It's the one we prefer, but there's no definition to rule them all. Gartner's definition refers to ad ops as a process. Some think of it as a department within a marketing team that does paid ad campaign management. Nobody is right or wrong here, but we think Gartner's definition hits the nail on the head. Either way, let's stick with it for this video. Believe me, it'll be a lot simpler that way. No matter how you look at it, ad ops is all about creating compelling and creative ad campaigns from scratch, using some handy tools and technologies like Google Publisher Console to enhance these campaigns. Troubleshooting issues that arise from online advertising is also a big part of the ad ops process. Ad ops also involves lots of people, and I mean lots and lots of people. There's campaign managers, data analysts, digital ad specialists, and so on. Of course, someone needs to manage an ad ops team, someone like an ad ops director or manager, or an ad ops specialist. With an understanding of ad ops under our belts, let's look at how brands, agencies, and publishers use this process in day-to-day online advertising operations. Large companies use ad ops to make paid brand campaigns more effective. How? The daily life of an ad ops professional might include creating ad campaigns, setting up those campaigns, working with ad servers and ad exchanges, monitoring the campaigns and making changes as needed, optimizing ads when they don't perform as expected, basically ensuring compliance with regulations and internal data governance policies, and creating reports that document all of this work. At advertising agencies, ad ops looks similar to how large brands use it. An ad ops team within an agency will perform a lot of the same tasks and work with the same tools, but they do so with a client-centric approach. That means they coordinate paid ad campaigns with clients, focusing on search engine ads, banner ads, display ads, mobile advertising, and other parts of the online ad world. Ad publishers take a slightly different approach to ad ops than brands and agencies. A publisher will manage its ad inventory on online properties to increase revenue generation and optimize ad space sales. So, ad ops for publishers are more concerned with using A/B testing to determine the best places for companies to advertise, ensuring ads display correctly, determining the price of paid ads, and working closely with ad buyers. Many publishers use digital tools to automate these processes, but large publishers will still have human staff members managing the ad ops process for the personal touch. No matter who you're working for or how you practice it, a career in ad ops can equal big bucks. The average salary for an ad operations manager in the United States is over $100,000 per year. Wow. Sounds pretty nice, right? So how do you get started with a career in ad ops? Ad ops team members often have degrees in business or communications, or they might have marketing backgrounds. Just being able to show your marketing skills with experience in campaign management, video ads, and working with ad networks can create a career path into ad ops. If you've worked for several years in marketing or ad sales for a reputable company, you're in a good spot to move into ad ops. Having some recognizable industry certifications doesn't hurt either. Well, that's all you need to know about ad ops. That wasn't so bad, was it? You might even be wondering how you can work your way into this field. Well, we got you. To keep up with everything in advertising and marketing spaces, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications when we post a new video. We'll see you next time.